Hey guys, this is Andrew Keene from KeenOnTheMarket.com. This is your S&P Euro and Oil Futures recap for April 18th, 2012. Today was not too much of an exciting day or interesting day at all. The market was in an inside day. A lot of times we have these huge rallies or huge sell-offs. The next day is an inside day with not much movement. We look at the market profile day. Yesterday we gapped higher. We had an inside day. If we want to go back a little bit, when we gap, we usually have an inside day. This is the market profile. For tomorrow, the point of control is going to be 1382.5, with our value area low around this 1397, value area high around 1385. So let's look at the daily first. And I've been talking about this for a while, how we are stuck in this bullish channel for a while. We broke out of the bull channel, and now I think we'll be stuck in a range, and we could be stuck in a range for a very long time. Stuck in this 1335 to 1420 range. The more we stay in the range, the more we're going to stay in a range for a longer period of time. And you'll start hearing people, after I've said it, that talk about us being stuck in this range. So let's look at the 5-minute chart. Not much to talk about today. And this is Netflix, so that's how we want. Stock market open, and we opened at 1378.75. We actually one tick the low down here. And we actually, let me look at the highs, 1385.5. 1385.75. So we did not get the high or the low within the first hour. 80% of the time we have the high or low within the first hour, and we did not hear it. So the low of the day, 1378.5. High of the day, 1385.5. 7-point range. Very, very, very tight range. Tomorrow we might have a big gap day. When we have a lot of overlapping bars, neutral paper between buyers and sellers, then usually the next day will be a gapping day. We could get another inside day and then look for a gapping day. Let's look at the oil chart. Oil opened up. I talked about how bearish oil, I think oil is going lower. So oil opened up. We got the high within the first hour at 104.11, and then it was straight down. The low of the day, 102.20. So about a $2 range in oil, which is pretty good movement. If we look at the daily chart, until oil cracks this $100 level, this could be range bound as well. And I talk about it. I think there's a very good chance it gets down to this 101 before it got to this 105.50. If I had to make an even money bet, I would take 101 before 105.50. We close at 102.65, so kind of right in the middle. Euro, this did not have a exciting day as well. This is kind of boring. We're in this triangle pattern right now. I also think we tested the downside of the euro. I've been talking about testing this 127.5 level before we test up to the 135. I still believe in that. We have Spanish bond auction tomorrow, which will be interesting, and I want to play with the momentum. I want to buy breakouts above the cloud, sell breakouts below the cloud. I actually was thinking about taking a long here, 131.26. I just didn't see many upside targets. When I don't see a lot of upside targets, I don't really want to get in the trade. My upside targets would have been 40 and then 60, and I just was risking too much. Because I had a risk to the bottom of the cloud, so that would have put me in for about 35 pips. I didn't want to risk that much, so that's about it. After the bell, we had disappointing earnings from Qualcomm, American Express. Tomorrow should be an interesting day. A lot of earnings. We have Spanish bond auctioning tomorrow and jobless claims. This is Andrew Keene from KeenOnTheMarket.com. Remember, if you want all your trades live, real time with my real money that I'm risking every single day, you can email sales@KeenOnTheMarket.com for a free trial. And have a great night. Okay, now